What does an awesome phone look like for you? This size of screen? This kind of camera lens? What about sound? Design? That's a given. Here comes new K. Look at the design first. Sky blue, red, gray, green. Sky blue, red, gray, green. The waves rush into your hands in gorgeous colors. Even when your heart drops. This does not, because the grip is firm and hard. Picture ocean waves that dance around an island. Your easy grip is not going to block them. Your touch will instantly unlock your phone. This size of screen is wide, very wide. The 20:9 cinematic ratio brings you a cinematic experience at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. A front camera is tucked into this tiny hole. Sometimes you might forget, there's a camera on the front. Nice. And this 3D sound absolutely surrounds you. Probably a tough job for your present speakers to replicate. What the? Anyway, the 4,000 milliampere long-lasting battery can meet all your needs all day long. You like playing it rough? Don't worry. K42 passed even the military specs. Hold on. Back to the island. Take a close look. Are those 4 mystery circles? No, they're all cameras. Standard, wide, depth, background. They are ready for any picture you want to take. What do you think? Premium enough? All these premium features packed into one device, you call it K42. The price? Go check it out. Nothing short of all you need. LG K42.